Hello everyone, welcome to Algorithmic Finance. This is Emre. On this video, we will keep creating grid system. We have started one strategy series. So this is the third video. We already have started how we can create grid system. And so how we can send order, how we can close order. On this video, so we will keep adding extra codes that we have writing previous videos. I put on card the first video. If you never coded before, you can start from that video. On this video, we will just keep adding some extra codes that we already have started. So now let's move on my computer and keep coding. And this is grid version 2 that we created earlier this video. So I will copy and paste the same one and I will make version 3. Okay, I open a new file. In case of we do some mistakes and code and we want to get back where we started, we can easily move this version to. That's why it's better to create new file when we are doing some extra changes. Let's look on code what we write before. The load size, so this is as input, so we can change without getting into code. So let's see on the system, view strategy set tester, visualize, and grid version. So let's compile one more time. And grid version 3, as you see, is input section. We can change the load size. If we like to start with 1 load or 5 load, so we can easily change it. So let's leave it in 1 load. And then it says add pos. So whenever we opened one position and this position goes $3 in loss, and the system will add one more position on it. So let's look in the code. As you see, if there is no open position, then send one load by order and then refresh the reference level. So as you see, this reference level will be the level that this position was opened. And then if current ask price goes smaller than reference point minus add pos, which means $3 lost if this position goes, and there will be another buy position, and when it is refreshing this reference level, and it will just keep going forever. So the forever means actually, so it can just keep opening position as much as our margin enough. So there is actually limit. Okay, this was in buy position. So let's see how it works. And there is stop loss and take profit, as you see, for each position. Okay, so let's close this terminal. And let's run in gold in last month. And I start. As you within the minutes, the system opened one lot buy position. Okay, then when this buy position take profit, as you see, buy position take profit, within the minutes that the system closed this position, as you see, $500 take profit, then it opened one more position. If I am closing one buy position and opening the same position again, in my net position nothing has changed, but closing and opening new position just create me extra cost of spread. So you can say like the commission. So if I am gonna keep this buy position anyway, so there is no point to close and open again. If I am gonna open, better not to close. If I'm gonna close, better not to open exactly the same level. On this video, we will do modification. If I am closing buy position, then system will open sell position. So let's do this arrangement. So this was the ask, and I need bit price as well. So I do as I copy and paste and get bit price. And here just down the reference level integer, I say site, it will be start from 1. I just keep changing 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, which means the last position was minus 1 will mean like sell and my 1 will be and the buy. So let's say if site equals minus 1, which means the last position that I opened was sell position, then you can open this buy position. but after that you open buy position, the site will be 1. So which means it will turn into the site of buy. And let's also look, and also let's put if site equals 1, then you can keep adding position here. So this was the one, and after this site we don't need to change this site because we already defined. So now I will just do exactly the same for sell position. This one, it will open sell position, and all this ask will go bit, stop loss will be plus, take profit will be minus, reference level will be bit, and the site will be -1. And if it is -1 and ask, and let's change in bit bigger than reference level plus add point. So I will just copy paste up. Okay, now so when we close the buy position, or this buy position took some profit, it will open sell position. So it will just go, it will just keep changing actually. Let's see if we get any mistakes or so on. Let's look. And let's run this gold again. Okay, now system open one lot buy position. So let's see, after buy position is closed and opened again one more buy position. So let's check where we did mistakes. The system site -1. Okay, we forget to put 2. There should have been 2 sites and we missed one, equalize. Okay, let's run again. This time system will start with sell position. Okay, the system start with sell position and it add one more sell position. Okay, let's change the sign so we didn't see clearly on this level. So let's do take profit also close. And let's start. Okay, we started with sell position. And when the sell position gets stop loss, then it's opened buy position. As you see, each system goes one by one sell, one by one sell. But here I put this at level 15 is much far away from than stop loss and take profit. We never get actually the second and third position when the system is in lost, because after first position go in loss like $5, then system close and open opposite signal. So if I define this and 2, then there is some extra position and just kind of create loop on system. And as you see, this system open 2 sell position on a row and so on. Okay, this system is kind of become complicated. Okay, this adding value, we will do some modification. So from now on, not each position will not have their own specific stop loss and take profit level. So when the system will open one more buy position, and the system will look the average of these 2 position. So it will find the average level and it will put one stop loss and one take profit for this 2 or 3 position. So when we are putting the stop loss and take profit separately, when each trades goes independently, it may create like some loop for the market for our strategy. So on the next video, we will try to find out how we can close all buy position in one specific level. And we will do this for the next video. And before closing this video, I would like to introduce you Pepperstone, who supports our videos and content. And with Pepperstone, you can trade more than 1,700 products. And you can use C-Trade, TradingView, MetaTrader 4 and 5 on their own web terminal to be able to trade. All is you have access to all this terminal. I just give a link in video description. If you go to the website through this link, you will have 3 months of Bloomberg subscription for free. For more information, please go to video description link. And also all this code that we write here, I will share also all this code that I write here in my Telegram channel, where I share all these codes that I write in this video and education material and so on. So you can take a look in this Telegram channel as well. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.